In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudflare account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account set up and be ready to explore the dashboard with confidence. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the official Cloudflare website. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct site before you proceed. On the homepage, look to the top right for the button labeled Start for Free. If you're on a smaller screen, this might appear in a menu, but it will always say Start for Free. Click it to begin creating your account. Next, you'll see sign-in options that let you register quickly using a trusted provider. Choose the option that works best for you: Google, Apple, or GitHub. In this walkthrough, I'll select Google. When you click Google, a window will appear asking you to pick your Google account and grant permission to share basic profile details. Approve the prompt to continue. Cloudflare will then ask you to confirm your email. This step is important because it secures your account and ensures you can recover access later if needed. Open your email inbox, look for a message from Cloudflare, and click the verification link inside. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or promotions folder. You can always request a new verification email if necessary. After email confirmation, you may be shown a short set of questions about how you plan to use Cloudflare. These help personalize your experience, but they're optional. You can answer them if you want tailored suggestions, or simply skip for now and return to them later. Either way is fine and won't affect your ability to use your account. From here, just follow the prompts on your screen. Cloudflare will guide you through a brief onboarding flow, highlighting key areas and offering quick tips. Take your time, read each message, and continue when you're ready. The goal is to make sure you know where the main tools and settings live. Once you're in the dashboard, you can start exploring. Get familiar with the navigation, look over your account profile, and notice where help and documentation links appear. You don't need to configure anything immediately. Simply browsing the interface will make you more comfortable when you're ready to take next steps. If anything is unclear, the on-screen tips and the Help Center provide concise explanations you can reference anytime. That's it. You've opened the Cloudflare website, clicked Start for Free, chosen a sign-in method, confirmed your email, handled or skipped the initial questions, followed the prompts, and now you're ready to explore.